Yeah, we've got our own tiler and our own roofer that, you know, I know their quality of work. It's good. The style of tiling has changed. The tiles are a lot bigger. Back in the days when I learnt my trade, we were using what they call mosaics, which are about 20 mil square or an inch by inch, and they were on a piece of cardboard or matting that you'd lay it as one unit. Now the tiles we're putting down are 600 by 600 square, so it's a totally different look. It's a lot harder work for the tilers. Horizontal tiling has changed astronomically. We have the standard 200 by square tile used to be the go. Then they went into 400 long by 200 high tiles. Then we had the brick finish tiles with black grout around them. Now it's more of a 600 square tile right up to the ceilings. So that's definitely changed, and the fashion changes there every 3 to 5 years. Roof tiling's pretty well common. They're still the same. However, there's different tiling companies, tile manufacturing companies now have just flat slate-looking tiles. They're quite popular in the bigger projects, we've noticed. But the old terracotta tile shapes are still around. Just they change the size to suit the manufacturing costs now.